Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, so if I bring that down, I'm going to get a texter and mark it. Might make it easy to keep track. How was that? Okay, there is a mark already here from previously, so I'm not sure. This chain was replaced by the previous owner, so it's not a it's a made in Japan, and it's an X ring. I think it's 530 something, I can't remember now. 530 VX. So I've given the chain a good thorough clean. So I'm up there. And I'm up there. So if I go in, say 2, see if that, how much that gives me. Okay, so I'll go in. So if I go in, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to put a dot. And this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a dot. Line that one up. And that one. I think a little tapered wedge under the back wheel would make it easy just to hold things still. Let's see if I can get a link. Okay, that moved up. And that might almost be right. I'll just check what the specs were. Okay, it says 25 to 30. For the Bullock 5, Classic 5. The Continental GT is different, but for 25 to 30 mil. Okay, push the chain up, hold the ruler steady, push the chain down and measure the slack. Okay, so if I push the chain up, so it's about midway, so that's basically 40 there, so 40 plus 30, oh, if I push it hard it's 35, I might say it's 40, 50, 60, 70, so that's basically at its limit, so I might see if I can get it to go in one and see what happens. So I need to move this okay, so that's one up from the mark. So I don't know whether you can give it a tap. Also, I just going to do that. Can I? Wiggle it back in. That side's the same. That went back on okay. So the bottom of that is at 40. Maybe so if I go there, it's 30, 10, 25. Okay, so I think that's okay. So, oh, nip these back up. Just double check. Okay, one mark back from there. One mark back towards the large one. Okay, now it said the torque for that. Already set this. It was at 70 Newton meters, and again 30 millimeter. Where did my screwdriver go? It's funny how they just disappear. Didn't seem to be anywhere near like as tight as it was when I went in, so I might just double check the specs of that one. Okay, now going through the Haynes manual, they've got a different sort of adjustment for the rear brake. They've got the style which, like when I had motorbikes back in the 80s, you had a lock nut and one at the back, and you'd wind that in and it would push or pull the axle in the slot, and then you lock it tight again and then do this up. and then you counted these slots to make sure everything was square, so the wheel alignment was correct. But this bike doesn't have that. This one has the cam adjustment instead. So this here mentions about a cam. This is the service manual. This mentions a cam, but it gives no other instructions basically. And it says, where is it? The hex castle nut, 70 Newton meters. The rear brake cover anchor pin nut, and the rear brake lever nut 30. So I'm just going to do both of those at 70, and do that one at 30. Doesn't seem anywhere near as tight as it was when I took it off, so I'm gonna go. Oh. Please, if I'm not meant to go more, leave a comment and tell me why. Just if I wasn't going by the book, I would just have done it up as what I thought was tight. So unless there's a specific reason, please let me know. So if I just turn this down to 30. $28, $29, $30. I think I've probably gone past it already, but oh well. I'll need to find the step down. Yeah. Okay. I may as well leave all this till I've done the rest. The pin, that's coming tomorrow, so I can join that tomorrow. And I'll show you the procedure for doing that, because it's one that you press through. It's not a clip, it's the stronger style with the O-rings, so I'll do that tomorrow. So that's all for now.